Hello St George's, it's Mr Abbott here with another maths video, and today we're going to be looking at adding fractions. Now by now you would have watched Funfair Fractions on Education City and are ready to have a go at some for yourself. But before we do that, let's have a quick recap. When we're adding fractions, you must make sure that the denominators are the same. You can only add fractions that have the same denominator. So here we have a problem, 5/8 add 2/8. And below I've represented them in a pictorial form. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A rectangle divided into 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are shaded. Another rectangle divided into 8, and to match the fraction, 2 have been shaded. So 5/8 add 2/8. Let's put them into the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 plus the 2/8, 1, 2. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're adding 8, so we have 7/8. Let's try another one. So here we have 5/6 add 4/6. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's 5/6 and 4/6. And now let's put them into the answer. So we start with a 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's 5/6. And we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 more 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 6. Now you may notice here, if we add them together, we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 6. Now this creates an improper fraction. It's called an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. It's also known as a top-heavy fraction. So 9/6, as we can see from the diagram, is the same as 1 whole and 1, 2, 3, 3/6. 5/6 plus 4/6 is the same as 9/6, which is the same as 1 and 3/6. Now for some fractions, drawing a diagram just isn't practical, and here we have an example. 18/40 add 17/40. Now, as I said at the start, we can only add them together if the denominators are the same, which also means the answer will also be expressed as the same denominator. So in this case, 40ths. All we have to do now is add 18 and 17. 18 add 17. 8 add 7 is 15. 5 in the ones, 10 into the tens column. 110 add 110 plus the 10 we carried are 3 tens, or 35. So 18/40 plus 17/40 equals 35/40. Now that you've seen this method in action, why not have a go at some of these yourself? As ever, St George's, once you have completed your work, please take a photograph and email it to me so I can see how you're progressing. You'll notice that the bottom 3 questions are 3 fractions added together, but as they're all the same denominator, I'm sure you won't find any trouble with it. Best of luck, St George's.